Okay, welcome to session. Today we discussed about the budget. Any idea about budget?
Budgeting in future activities in various departments like the HR, finance, marketing, or production or sales. We are budgeting on a future estimated analysis of something. Like in future, if we want to deal with some kind of shortage in cash or something, then we
Okay, simply we told that budget is nothing but expenditure and income. Okay, that is based on the money value. So in any company we are running the textile industry or IT industry or manufacturing industry or production industry, any company, definitely we should follow the budget. The budget is usually we are preparing the every once in a year. Sometimes we need the some small project or some activities means it is we are preparing the short term based things. So it is that is called as budget is full and full based on the money of the income and expenditure. And then what are the objectives of budget? Because each and every company we are preparing the budget. Why we are preparing the budget? What is the purpose of the particular budget? Why we are preparing the budget? What are the reasons or objectives? First one is we are using
the future.
We are utilization of
The shortage or something like cash or something.
okay, that is the resource utilization. Okay, then tell about what is meant by resource utilization, or it is future.
Activities like
Okay, then that is the based on the we are using the correct resources of the particular things. There are many objectives of the budget included. We discuss by the one by one. What is the first objectives? We are preparing the budget.
To make efficient resources uses and to make sure available resources like manpower, labor, money, materials are used properly without waste.
Okay, first that is the main objectives is efficient utilization of the resources. That is the resources is nothing but main money, material, machine. We are using all the things are 100%. So budget is very, very important. Second objective is control. Okay.
To help performance against planned budget to reduce unwanted expenses.
Okay, that is a budget is based on the controlling the activities. That is a what is the actual budget? What is the planned one and the actual budget? For example, we are budget cost is 1 lakh rupees, but that is the expenses is 1,40,000 means what is the extra amount or reduced amount, that is calculation we are needed. That's why we are controlling is very, very important one. That is second objective. The next one is coordination.
The different departments and the units in the company or organization, they are working together towards single organizational goal to achieve.
Yes, definitely, because coordination is very, very important one. The finance department is preparing the budget means it is involved in all the departments. There is marketing department, HR department, finance department, then sales department, then research department. All the departments to attain the same objectives. So it is the coordination is very, very important. The next objective is performance evaluation. That's very good.
Provide standard measurement of actually performance helps to evaluate efficiency.
Definitely, there is a performance is evaluation is nothing but we are comparing the expenses. What is the expected amount? What is the actual budget? That is performance evaluation is needed one, because we are starting the particular expenses means with the 1 lakh rupees means at the end of the cost of the plan is how much we are. Definitely we are decided that. At the time we are deciding the particular things means we avoiding the unwanted expenses. So budget is very, very important. The next one is communication.
Inform all departments or employees about the organization's financial plans and expectations.
Yes, definitely, because the single department can't attain the particular goals. So all the departments to know and aware of the budget cost. So we are communicate all the departments. Not only the single person to inform to all the departments. Then next objective is
Motivation.
Motivation.
Motivating the employees or the workers with some increments or bonus to
we are attaining the particular budget cost means we are motivating the employees. Suppose you are success of the particular things means we give the some extra incentives or bonus or some other promotions. All these things means all the employees are working together to achieving the particular budget level. Okay. Then next one is
Financial stability.
financial stability. Yes.
It's basically planning, controlling and monitoring
Definitely.
everything, and the plans that are made to
There is a financial stability is nothing but it is a every year we are preparing the finance budget means we know about the particular finance condition of the particular company. Compared to the previous year, what is the current asset levels, what is the current fixed level. Every year we are preparing like that, like this means we know the stability of the companies, financial stability. So these are all the things are objectives of budget. Okay, thank you all. Thank